everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I'm styling a bodysuit. So I had wanted a bodysuit. I don't know why I wanted a bodysuit. You know, well maybe I know why. I watch a lot of YouTubers and one influencer raves about bodysuits. So I was like, I have to get a bodysuit. I got this one from my trunk club, was so excited to get it. I wore it once and I haven't worn it again. And there's nothing wrong with it, but it's a bodysuit. So it's quite, body sucking to me. And even though I'm small, I don't always feel confident about my body. Even though I'm tiny, I still have the rolls and the loose skin. I am in my 50s, so my body isn't exactly hard, despite the fact that I work out every day and try and make it a hard body. It just doesn't want to cooperate. So, I mean, there's nothing wrong with this bodysuit. I'm calling it a leotard, but bodysuit, it's just that I'm not always comfortable wearing it, and sometimes I just don't know how to style it. So I thought, let me try a couple different ways to style this and maybe get me out of my comfort zone and maybe get me to wear this more often. So give me a minute and I'll show you what I come up with it. All right, well, the first outfit that I paired with the bodysuit is this faux suede skirt that I have from the Loft in like this burnt orange / cognac color that I got several years ago. You've seen the skirt. I wore it with the blouse when I did styling my faux leather and suede. So that time I paired it with the blouse. This time I'm pairing it with the bodysuit. So I kind of like the contrast of the black against the cognac. I think it's a really good contrast. I have it paired with black tights, and I'll pan down so you can see my boots, and my Mark Fisher faux suede knee-high boots. So I think this is a really cute outfit. I don't have so much of a problem. I do feel kind of exposed, right? And I think part of the reason I feel exposed is not only is it tight, but it's also a very plunging neckline. So if I wanted to like calm this down a little bit and feel like I'm covering myself up, I realize I can put this little scarf on, this little leopard scarf, all right? And that gives me some coverage, okay? So I see no problem with this as being an outfit. I'll turn around so you can see the back, okay, in the front. And I think this is something new that I would have never thought to put together, but I think it makes a cute outfit, and I think it could be styled this way. Give me a minute and I'll come up with another idea for this bodysuit. All right, the next way I styled this bodysuit is with my level 99 level 99 joggers. Nothing faux about them. They're real joggers in olive green. And I paired it with this INC, so from Macy's, faux leather blazer. And again, the reason why I did that is I feel I need some coverage because I feel very exposed when, I don't have anything over this tight-fitting bodysuit. But the great thing about a bodysuit, it's great for layering, just like this. No bulky sleeves, everything's nice and thin, and fits very nicely under a jacket. I'll pan down so I can show you the shoes I chose with this outfit. I chose my ones that I received from Stitch Fix, the strappy little pumps, okay? So I forget who these are by. I think 41 Hawthorne. I'll look for you. Or maybe, I think they're 41 Hawthorne. And so yeah, they look really cute with this, and I think this is a cute and edgy, going out for dinner outfit and a little night out outfit, all right? But nothing too dressed up. So I think this is another way I can utilize the bodysuit. Hold on, I have one more way I'm gonna try and make it more casual. Outfit 3, I styled the bodysuit with a pair of black skinny jeans from Loft. And I paired it with this oversized shacket that I got from Nordstrom, the anniversary sale, by Thread and Supply in this camel-y color. So it's a black pair of jeans, black bodysuit, and the camel shacket. To try and pull it all together, I also put on this camel-y color belt, and with it I paired, I'll pan down so you can see, I paired my Vince Camuto booties. I had tried this with a pair of Steve Madden mules, but they were so flat looking, and I kind of looked shorter and dumpier than I usually am with the oversized shacket, so I kind of felt like I needed my heels with this shacket. So I think this works. It's a good casual outfit to wear with the bodysuit. Like I said, bodysuits are great for layering. I think they're also being good going into at least our spring here, because our spring months tend to be, you know, 40s and 50s, and maybe you don't want to wear a winter coat, but it's still pretty darn cold outside. So wearing a bodysuit and then layering it up with some heavier type of, you know, sweater, cardigan, jacket will be good. I think this bodysuit is pretty versatile, but it does leave me feeling rather exposed because it's so form-fitting, plus the plunging neckline. But I think I can play with it by doing scarves and layering on jackets on top. So I need to get out of my comfort zone and utilize this bodysuit more. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. I'm on a no-buy now until March 1st, and I've been doing a lot of styling sessions, shop my closet. It's been a reality check. I'm trying to group my clothing items together so I realize how much I do have and what I do not need more of. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, give me a thumbs up, and take care, and until next time.